Looking at multiplying fractions that are more than 1. Starting with two improper fractions to be multiplied together, it's exactly the same as when you're multiplying ordinary fractions. You simply multiply the numerators together and then multiply the denominators together. 4 times 7, that's 28, and 3 times 3, that's 9. You might be asked to convert that back to a mixed number if you had that in a question. Looking at multiplying a pair of mixed numbers, the first thing you need to do is convert them to improper fractions. So 3 2/3, how many thirds are there altogether? Multiply the whole number by the denominator. 3 times 3, that's 9. Add to the numerator, that's 2. 9 and 2, that's 11. So there are 11 thirds, and we're multiplying that by how many fifths? 2 times 5, that's 10. Add 2, that's 12. So we're multiplying that by 12 fifths. And simply multiply the denominators. 3 times 5 is 15, and 11 times 12, that's 132 over 15. Now we convert back to a mixed number. How many times does 15 go into 132? You might recognise that 132 and 15 are both multiples of 3, but you might not know how many 3's there are in 132, in which case it might be easier here to say how many lots of 15 until we get to 132. Well, 8 lots of 15 is 120, so that leaves you with 12 15ths. And you might see that 12 and 15 will both divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 8 and 12 15ths is the same as 8 and 4 fifths. Look at one more. 2 2/3 multiplied by 2 3/4. First we convert them to improper fractions. How many thirds in 2 2/3? 2 times 3 is 6. Add 2, that's 8 thirds. And we're going to multiply that by 2 3/4. How many quarters in 2 3/4? 2 times 4 is 8. Add 3, that's 11 quarters. Now we go ahead and multiply them. 8 times 11 is 88. 3 times 4 is 12. With this one, if you can recognise that they're both multiples of 2, you could simplify this before you go on to converting to a mixed number. If I divide 88 by 2, I have 44, and if I divide 12 by 2, I have 6. So that's 44 over 6, and you may see that you can carry on with that. If I divide 44 by 2, I have 22, and if I divide 6 by 2, I have 3. And we can't go any further with that, so now we're going to convert it back to a mixed number. How many times does 3 go into 22? Well, 3 times 7 is 21, and we have 1/3 left over. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.